Thank you, Madam Secretary. When President Johnson signed the Medicare and Medicaid legislation in 1965, our country slammed the door on a day when so many seniors lived out their days on poor farms without a shred of dignity. Now, because of Medicare and Medicaid, millions of older people across the country can turn out the lights at night, knowing that when they wake up in the morning, quality health care will be available to them. And what I've especially appreciated since my days when I was director of the Gray Panthers, back then I had a full head of hair and rugged good looks, is that Medicare has always kept up with the times and come up with better ways to serve seniors. For example, right now, Medicare is leading the revolution in this country to care for more vulnerable people at home. Secretary Burwell knows this with the Independence at Home program. This is a program that is giving seniors now more of what they want, which is to be at home, at a cheaper price than the institutional alternative. And as the Secretary said, we have more to do. It's time, for example, to make sure that seniors have catastrophic protection under Medicare, the way Americans do who are under 65. But that's the genius of Medicare, is that it keeps on keeping up with the times. Now I'll close by way of saying, in addition to the positive things that we have to do, we've got some things we've got to stop. For example, with respect to Medicaid, what we've got to do is make sure we block these counterproductive budget cuts like those that we are seeing in the House Republican budget. So our efforts are going to be about taking affirmative steps. We want to see more states sign up for Medicaid. But when we have to play defense, such as stopping draconian cuts in programs like Medicaid, we will take that action. Final comment. Now, for 50 years, millions of Americans have been able to use this program, Medicare and Medicaid, as a springboard to longer and healthier and more productive lives. And we believe we're going to build on those successes that the seniors who are getting their card here today are going to highlight it. I challenge them to live to 115 because then they'll have an opportunity to enjoy the next celebration